It's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. No matter your purpose, the redesigned Pacifica helps you achieve it. Stow-and-go seating gives you incredible flexibility and best-in-class cargo volume without removing seats. Get effortless functionality with keyless enter and go, second-row power windows, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and a touchscreen display. Stay connected on the go with Uconnect, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, and a USB media hub. While you accomplish your to-do list, this Pacifica supports you with safety features including smart brake, electronic stability control, anti-lock four-wheel disc brakes, and hill start assist. Simplify your everyday with a minivan equipped for your every need. Explore this Pacifica and test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.